Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special for home decor lovers, the beauty and creativity of wooden lamps. Whether it's a stylish wooden table lamp for your living room, or a warm bedside lamp that makes your nights cozier, these pieces are more than just light sources. They bring nature indoors, add personality to your space, and create an atmosphere that feels calm, inviting, and timeless. In this video, we'll explore why wooden lamps are so unique, how they can transform your home, and tips on choosing the perfect design for your style. So if you've been searching for decor that's practical, artistic, and filled with natural charm, you're in the right place. Let's begin our journey into the glowing world of wooden table and bedside lamps. Light is more than illumination. It is atmosphere. It is comfort. It is the quiet glow that makes a house feel like home. And when light is paired with wood, something magical happens. The natural warmth of wood softens the brightness of light, creating a harmony that is both calming and inspiring. Wooden table lamps and bedside lamps are not just functional objects. They are art pieces, storytellers, and silent companions in our daily lives. They rest beside us as we read late into the night. They glow softly when the world outside grows dark. They cast patterns of light and shadow that change the mood of a room instantly. In every culture, wood has been a trusted material, shaped by hand into tools, furniture, and works of art. But when combined with light, it takes on an entirely new dimension. The wood becomes alive again, its grains highlighted, its texture glowing, its presence amplified. It feels as though the lamp is not only lighting the room, but also sharing the quiet soul of the tree it once was. Why do we keep returning to wood in our homes? Because wood carries something that other materials cannot: warmth, character, and timeless beauty. A wooden lamp is never identical to another. Even if two lamps are shaped the same, the wood grain, the knots, the subtle variations in color make each one unique. It is this uniqueness that transforms a simple lamp into a personal piece of decor. Imagine a minimalist lamp with a smooth oak base, glowing gently on a bedside table, or a rustic table lamp crafted from reclaimed driftwood, its irregular form capturing the spirit of nature itself. Or perhaps a contemporary geometric lamp, where sharp angles of walnut would meet soft light, blending tradition and modernity. These lamps are not just sources of light. They are design statements, symbols of how we live, how we relax, how we express ourselves through our spaces. Wooden bedside lamps, in particular, hold a special place in home decor. They are the last light we see before sleep, and the first glow that greets us in the morning. They shape our mood, set our rhythm, and quietly influence the atmosphere of our most intimate space, the bedroom. A well-chosen wooden bedside lamp does more than brighten a corner. It creates a sanctuary. This video is about exploring that beauty, the creative wooden table lamps and bedside lamps that make homes feel alive. We will journey through their history, understand why they hold such appeal, explore creative designs, and even discover how to choose or create one for ourselves. From handcrafted rustic pieces to sleek modern designs, from simple DIY projects to luxury wooden lamps, we'll uncover why this blend of wood and light continues to enchant people everywhere. Because in the end, a wooden lamp is more than a piece of decor. It is a bridge between the earth and the home, between the warmth of nature and the comfort of human living, between light and shadow, day and night. And once you bring such a lamp into your space, you will never look at light in the same way again. When we speak of creativity in wooden table lamps, we are speaking of the marriage between form and function, the ability of a lamp to not only provide light, but also to stand as a sculpture, a piece of art in its own right. Wooden table lamps are not passive objects. They invite touch, they command attention, and they transform the atmosphere of a room with their silent presence. The beauty of wooden table lamps lies in their variety. They can be minimalist or ornate, modern or rustic, geometric or organic. Each design tells its own story, and each story resonates differently depending on the space it inhabits. One creative approach is the natural form lamp. Here, the lamp base is not cut into strict lines or polished into uniformity. Instead, it celebrates the raw shape of wood. Imagine a lamp carved from a gnarled tree root, its twisted form left intact, or a lamp whose base is a smooth driftwood branch found on a shoreline. The wood itself becomes the artwork, and the light simply reveals what nature has already sculpted. Another creative style is the geometric lamp. These designs lean into precision and symmetry, often using angular blocks of walnut, oak, or bamboo. A cube, a prism, or a pyramid carved in clean lines can hold a light bulb in ways that feel futuristic yet grounded in natural material. These lamps speak to modern design lovers who want decor that is both sleek and organic. There's also the fusion lamp, where wood meets another material in harmony. Wood combined with glass creates elegance. Wood paired with metal brings industrial charm. Wood with resin introduces color and playfulness. A lamp base made of layered wood and clear resin might look like a frozen river illuminated from within, while a wooden brass lamp combines warmth with sophistication. Hand-carved lamps carry cultural weight and artistry. In many traditions, wood carvers shape intricate patterns into the lamp base, floral motifs, tribal designs, or spiritual symbols. When the lamp glows, these carvings seem to come alive, casting shadows that dance across walls and ceilings. These are not just lamps, they are storytellers that carry heritage into the present day. Then there are upcycled and reclaimed wood lamps, some of the most creative of all. An old wooden beam becomes a bold table lamp. Pieces of salvaged furniture are reshaped into unique lamp bases. Even ordinary scrap wood can be glued, sanded, and polished into designs that carry both eco-consciousness and originality. These lamps prove that creativity does not need expensive materials, only vision. Beyond design, wooden table lamps also play with light itself. Some use hollowed-out wooden bases, allowing the bulb to shine through cutouts and patterns. Others feature wooden shades that filter light into warm, golden tones. A lattice-carved lamp, for example, projects intricate patterns of light and shadow, turning an ordinary room into a glowing canvas. Creativity also thrives in personalization. Some table lamps are made with customizable wooden panels, where owners can engrave quotes, initials, or images into the surface. This turns the lamp into a personal keepsake, blending light with memory. Wooden table lamps fit into every design language. A rustic lodge may feature lamps made of raw logs, bark still visible. A Scandinavian-style home might prefer pale birch or pine lamps with soft linen shades. A luxury modern apartment could showcase ebony or mahogany lamps polished to perfection, paired with minimalist LED lighting. The versatility of wooden table lamps ensures that they are not just practical accessories, but artistic statements. They have the ability to anchor a room, to become its focal point. When chosen with creativity, a wooden table lamp does not just sit quietly in a corner. It glows like a companion, a small but powerful piece of decor that transforms the energy of a space. At the heart of it all, creative wooden table lamps remind us that design is about emotion as much as utility. A lamp does not need to shout with color or sparkle with glass to be beautiful. Sometimes, a simple block of wood, lovingly crafted, glowing with soft light, can say more than any elaborate chandelier ever could. In every curve, in every grain, in every glow, wooden table lamps embody a philosophy that beauty comes from nature and creativity comes from how we choose to honor it. Choosing a wooden lamp is more than buying a light source. It is choosing a companion for your room, a piece of decor that will glow quietly in your home day after day. The perfect wooden lamp does not only brighten a space, it completes it. But how do you know which one is right for you? The first step is to consider the purpose of the lamp. Ask yourself, why am I bringing this lamp into my space? Is it for soft bedside reading? For focused work at a desk? For creating atmosphere in the living room? Or perhaps as a decorative accent in a hallway or corner? Each purpose calls for a different type of wooden lamp. A bedside lamp should provide gentle, warm light, Not too harsh, not too dim, just enough to create comfort for reading or winding down before sleep. A desk lamp needs to balance beauty with function, offering directed light that helps you focus without straining your eyes. A living room lamp can be more decorative, casting ambient light that enhances the mood of the entire space. Once you know the purpose, the next step is size and proportion. A lamp that is too large can overwhelm a table, while one that is too small may disappear into the background. As a rule, the lamp's height should be balanced with the furniture it rests upon. For a side table, the lamp should stand tall enough that its light reaches above your shoulder when seated. For a bedside lamp, the bottom of the lampshade should be around eye level when you are sitting up in bed. Proportion creates harmony, and harmony is what makes decor pleasing. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Wooden lamps are more than just light fixtures. They are works of art that bring warmth, creativity, and natural beauty into our homes. From stylish table lamps that complete your living room to cozy bedside lamps that make your nights more peaceful, each design tells its own story and adds its own glow. If you found inspiration today, don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video with friends who love home decor. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more creative ideas and design inspirations. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, sometimes it's the smallest glow, from the simplest wooden lamp, that makes a house feel like a home. I'll see you in the next video.